Welcome to the course Painting Something That Looks Realistic. In this video, we would learn how to paint a realistic egg as a total beginner. If you can paint this egg, you can paint anything. We will start by sketching slightly on our canvas. For this painting, I used titanium white, medium yellow, brilliant red, and lamp black. Mix a soft grey by adding little black to a lot of white. Add little yellow to the mixture. Let it look more greyish to looking yellowish. Create the shadow of the egg white using a dark grey. Add little texture on the background. This will help to show transparency of the egg white once we start painting the egg white. For the yolk painting, paint out the circle, leaving out the part for the highlights. This is because we are painting with oil paint and it takes longer to dry compared to acrylic paint. Mix the dark shade of the yolk with yellow and red. Blend it gently into the bright yellow. Be careful not to blend into the highlight spot. For the egg white, mix lots of white with yellow and a little bit of grey. Make sure this time the paint looks more yellowish than greyish. Paint all over the egg white space. Mix the dark tone using red, yellow and black. The light on the egg yolk is coming from the top, so the shadow falls opposite it on the egg white. Put the dark tone where applicable and blend. Add the texture in the egg white to show the transparency of the textures that we had on the background too. So we had that by using the dark tone and the highlight to show realism of the texture. Add highlight to the egg white. And now, you have learned how to paint a realistic egg in the easiest way possible. If this felt challenging, that's okay. Every great artist starts with simple objects like this. Practice it again. If you enjoyed the lesson, like this video and comment below. Tell me what simple objects you'd like me to paint next. And remember, if you can paint this egg, you can paint anything. This is the first video on the course how to paint something that looks realistic. I'll be making more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see my video immediately I post them. I make new videos every Friday. I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.